Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm gonna be playing some car racing game. I think it's Car Racing 2016, and it's a really fun game. There's 3 cars that you can choose from, and I only have the muscle car right now, so yeah. So I literally just got this game, by the way. Oh. Okay. I hate ads so much. Shit, and I feel like the game is playing at the same time. Oh my goodness. This makes me so mad. I also got another game, and yeah. What is it with these ads? Alright, so I just went to the rally car game because the other game wouldn't work, so yeah, I think got the Subaru. What else do we have? Got the Juggernaut, Meister, Eclipse, Forces, Vulcan, Tsunami, Bolus. It's a Mini Coupe, bro. Yeah, and then it just goes back to these. So, figure, let's play. Wait. Oh, it's a tilt. You tilt. What are you doing? Oh, Lord. No! Are you... What? Flip off. Restart. Oh, what? There's NOS? Oh, I hear her drifting, bro. Getting a couple coins. Oh, that's a big truck. Oh. Oh no. That was a bad accident, bro. Can you imagine? So right now this game is actually working. The ads and everything get off when I want them to. So. What the camera? Okay, so I'm not really 100% sure how to play this game, but can you upgrade? Like I don't really know if you can or not, but I want to. Wait, is music up? No. No. Bad Panda. Yeah, so we'll just play here. Alright, so this is daytime. This is what it looks like during the day in this game. Obviously. No, I thought it was nighttime. That's what you guys are probably gonna be like down in the comments, right? Yeah. Holy fudge. Is there no sound? Wait, what happened to my volume? No! No, my volume! Oh, that was close. Oh! Dang, bro. These guys really know how to cut you off. This is not funny. No! So, yeah, guys. What the similar? To my katota? I don't even know what I said. that was so close. Why are these guys stopping? Don't stop to the moon, no. Don't stop. Nah. Got 1 gold. Oh, I imagine the gold is like those coins right there. So we just need to get all those coins. Are you kidding me? This thing really likes to drift. I need something that handles a bit better. Oh, look at all this gold. Yeah, so that's exactly what the gold is, those little coins. I like this. Honestly, this game's pretty fun. Alright, so I went back to this game, and the ads are still there, and I hate it so much. It makes me so triggered. Alright. I tap race, and this happens. Alright, here we go. Oh. Very nice. Alright, what I really don't get though is like, why are there cars on both sides of the road? Oh, okay. That's what that does. So I guess there's like many power-ups. Oh, wow. Oh, I am so excited. I brought you a lovely puppy. Check the basement. Oh, that's scary. Who's a good puppy? Right, here we go. This thing revs like a beast. Are you kidding me? I am a man. I hate water. Water keep me clean. I like the racing revs. It's legit awesome. Come again, bro? Ooh. Oh, Lord. What is this game? This game looks kind of cool. No, but for real. This game looks lit. These guys are dead, bro. Look at that. They're cavalry. That's pretty graphic, bro. Guns of Glory. I'll look that up. I'll see if you guys want me to play that. That game looked really interesting. Are you kidding me? Here we go. Country roads, take me home. I'll be on. He just ran straight through. That car just did a backflip, bro. Okay, and here we are, back again. Lots of fire vehicles. Lots of taxis. Okay, you guys saw that, right? Did I hit him? Did I hit that car? Did I hit that car? You guys pause where I hit, and you guys tell me in the comments. Because I don't think I hit it. Okay, that time I know I hit it. That time I know I did. I did not hit that car. Are you? Back to the rally car stuff, bro. Rally car. I like this game better because it has a lot less ads. Ooh. These guys are like so slow sometimes. Scott moves like Jagger. Oh, you want a trucker. Stop trying to keep me from all my gold. I like me Lucky Charms, mate. Oh, let's go. Oh, got some NOS. Oh, right when I hit the NOS, he turns right in front of me. Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, bro? Oh, and because I used it too. Oh, what? I can stop? Wish I knew that earlier. When these guys turn, I can be like, skirt. Better not turn. So that's another thing, though. When you stop, though, and you start going again, your car gets so much faster. Skirt. Skirt, skirt. Oh, what the? It's like the Chevy symbol. What? Totally not weird. Don't you turn right in front of me. I gotta slam on the brake. Oh, I swear, bro. Your car's mad slow, too. Oh, holy. Chipotle is my life. I love that kid. That kid was hilarious. Holy shoot, bro. You are really, truly the dumbest driver in the world after that. Oh, what is that? Oh, I just knocked everyone out of the way. Get out my way. Get out my way. Oh, and I got NOS, bro. Boom, boom. Oh, get out my way. Get out my way. But I can get all the gold I want. This is lit. Alright, guys, though, I'm gonna have to end it here. And if you guys enjoyed, wait, hold on, give me a second. If you guys enjoyed, peace out.